Hello and welcome to our channel. Let's dive today into the world of Tableau, a tool that started its journey in 2003 and joined the Salesforce family in 2019. Tableau has become one of the favorite tools for data enthusiasts around the world, turning raw data into easy-to-digest visual insights. In our fast-paced world, data informs all our major decisions. Tableau brings that data to life, helping professionals across sectors visualize complex information with ease, no coding required. With Tableau, anyone can create vibrant charts, detailed maps, and interactive graphs. It's all about making data analysis not just simple, but also enjoyable. Tableau is known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface lets you uncover hidden aspects of your data quickly and see the bigger picture with ease. Tableau allows you to connect multiple data sources. This versatility lets you mix different datasets to create rich, informative reports and dashboards effortlessly. Imagine turning complex datasets into clear, engaging stories through interactive dashboards that anyone can understand. That's what makes Tableau so special. It's all about teamwork, and Tableau fosters collaboration with tools like Tableau Server and Tableau Online, where you can share insights and make informed decisions together, no matter where you are. Not only is Tableau easy to use, but it's also powerful. It handles large amounts of data, automates complex calculations, and keeps your workflow smooth and error-free. Tableau isn't just a tool. It's your next step towards understanding and making the most of your data. Whether you're looking for quick insights or comprehensive analysis, Tableau makes data approachable and actionable. And if you want to bring your Oracle Fusion Analytics and OBIE, OAC, and OAS data to Tableau, you have to try BI Connector, a tool that transforms the way you connect and visualize data to make more informed decisions. Find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.